With Autodesk Inventor iLogic, you can quickly and accurately produce 3D models and documentation that frees up your highly skilled workforce to customize and innovate, and helps you increase profit margins and win more business. By automating tedious and repetitive tasks, your teams can focus on ensuring customer requirements are satisfied and materials and resources are used effectively. And they don't even need programming skills. Existing parametric models can be completely automated. Capture design intent by making parameters, rules, or iProperties available with easy form creation tools. Add information or visuals to your forms to effectively communicate design intent, saving teams valuable time. Automation helps you reduce errors, configure existing designs, or introduce new designs. And it can increase quality and standardize design procedures and decision points. Store rules directly in the document. Share them between documents or make them globally accessible to provide versatility when reusing or creating new designs. With Autodesk Inventor iLogic, your teams can work more efficiently by eliminating repetitive tasks, so they can invest in product improvements and increasing customer satisfaction. And that can make you more profitable and competitive.